Life is an odyssey. Every day should be a triumph. Breathe. Summon your courage. Conquer without compromise. Create legacy with resilience. Chart out your own path. On this journey, you must have a reliable partner. Must align with you perfectly. Capable of handling any challenge with ease. It must be precise. Match your vehicle flawlessly. And every other vehicle. It must be distinctive. Like a knight's saddle, manifesting rigorous aesthetics in every minute detail, making everyone fall in love with it. It must be protective, made with safety-assured thorax material for constant protection for you and your family. It must be durable. Using Vigor Mode technology, 3W delivers robust and enduring quality, standing the test of time. It must be resilient, unyielding in emergencies, always maintaining its fit. Custom designed to match every inch of your vehicle's interior. It is right here, carrying you across time zones. Eager to transcend boundaries, to become a steadfast companion for you and your family. On every adventure, 3W looks forward to being your most reliable partner, accompanying you to set out and to arrive. 3W, where fit meets trust, built for decades.